Hello, my name is Glenn Echeverria, and I want to welcome you here to CTI Global Resolutions and our website. I'm very excited to share with you what we do, what we've mastered in the last 15 years, led by Mr. Thomas Redmond, the brains behind all of the integrations and implementations and customizations. But we do it all when it comes to NetSuite, your teachings, your trainings, and I could go on and on. Go ahead and right up above, you can click on Why Us, why CTI GR, our services, look at all of those. And, the company that we have is built on a foundation as rock and not sand, really built on ethics and morals and values and doing what the customer wants and needs, making sure it's simple and easy for us to do and implement, but also not only that, making sure that we're helping you build and grow your business and really being a seat in your office, a division of your company, if you will, and a true, real partner. And we treat that very seriously. Also being an Oracle NetSuite Alliance partner, we take that very seriously. So with that being said, I encourage you to please go ahead and fill out the form that's right there. We'll get back in touch with you right away with our leadership team and schedule a 15-minute Teams meeting or a call with you, whatever is best for you, and really see what you're looking to get out of your NetSuite platform. So again, my name is Glenn Echeverria. Thank you again for visiting our website, and you have a great rest of your day. Take care.